Okay, what you're looking at right here is a Hoover WindTunnel Powerhead right here. This is actually for a Hoover WindTunnel canister. I actually got this off of eBay. Instead of buying a whole Hoover WindTunnel canister, I decided just to get the Powerhead so I could hook it up to my other vacuums. And I really love to see that Hoover WindTunnel technology right here. So I was picking up sawdust. The vacuum I was attaching. So what I did is I took a long cord. It's a 3-prong cord that's over here. All right, yeah, it's a 3-prong cord, and it's hooked up to a 120-volt motor in there. And I found an adapter in the attic, connected to extension wands. I was using it in my EuroPro Shark Pursuit model UV209 right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the dust out. And right here you can see the all the sawdust. I was actually picking up sawdust. Well, a few. Oh, I see. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and remove the filter. Yeah. Oh yeah. Woo! Yeah, I'm planning to replace this filter eventually. See the slice separator down in there. Created a nice mold. So I'm gonna go ahead and dump it out. Woo! So right here is we're actually going to switch vacuums. All right, let's put everything back in there. I'm just gonna leave this out for now. Okay, so I'm gonna put everything over here. Foam filter. Spread it out. Let's see. What vacuum should I use? Eureka Whirlwind, DC07, Electrolux Versatility. I know that one's gonna have pretty poor suction at the hose because it's struggling now. So DC18 hose didn't work. Oh, I brought this in here. The Kirby G4. We're gonna go ahead and hook it up. Plug it in. We're gonna hook it up to the Powerhead. The reason why I stopped using the Shark Pursuit, I was really worried that it would overheat and get clogged. The filter would get clogged and it would overheat the motor and it would shut off. Because I've heard most EuroPro Sharks are doing that, especially the Roadster. So we're gonna go ahead and put this hose into here. Actually, I'll just get the attachment. Right here. Good thing I keep one in here. And this piece is actually not for a G4, it's for a G5, but it does fit all Kirby models, even the Avalier. Now we're going to turn it on. We're good to go. What? Kirby G4 failed. Can't believe it. Okay, never mind. We're just gonna use the Shop Vac, because I know that one's gonna work good. So here I have my RIDGID WD4 1-2. No, this is my RIDGID 6 gallon that I got at Home Depot. And right here, I actually bought a little adapter at Home Depot. It hooks right into there. I mean, not literally, but okay, so I guess I'm gonna there, I'll just do it like that. All right. So get the cord out of the way. Oh my God, it's a mess. Plug, pick up all this, just in case my phone runs out of storage. Okay, we're gonna turn the Shop Vac on. There it goes. Powerhead. All right. So Powerhead does need a new belt, as you can see, but overall did a pretty good job. But it did leave a little bit of this in the carpet. I'll have to get the WindTunnel Supreme. Probably have to get the Orc over there. So, oh, and by the way, guys, I did get a new Hoover Quick Broom, as you can see here. This is actually my second Quick Broom because this is a newer version, it looks like, because it has that cyclone in there that looks like it is on the older Eureka Whirlwinds that sound horrible. If anybody has one of those, I'll take it. So this one actually has cyclonic action. I will do this in another video because I'm kind of running out of time here. So anyways, thank you all. That's it for the Hoover WindTunnel Powerhead. Please comment, subscribe for more.